When GMC and Chevy introduced their new revolutionary tailgate, it changed how you can utilize the cargo area of your truck. If you tow, you'll want to protect your vehicle's tailgate from accidental damage. Stop unwanted damage with the CURT MultiPro Multiflex Tailgate Sensor. This smart sensor detects if there's a hitch accessory installed and prevents the inner tailgate from deploying, saving your tailgate and your wallet from costly repairs. Available for 2-inch or 2.5-inch receivers, it features a simple plug-and-play installation with no wire splicing and easily installs over the opening of your receiver. If no hitch accessory is installed, the sensor also functions as a convenient protective hitch cap. Simply close the cap to disable the sensor and once again utilize the inner tailgate's added features. Protect your truck with the CURT MultiPro and Multiflex Tailgate Sensor.